Hi everyone, happy October. It's Snack here. So welcome back sa mga bago. Hi, nice meeting you. This is Snack, your friendly tarot reader and guide. Ayan siya. So yan, October na nga and sorry kung late tayo nag-upload but bago tayo mag-start ng reading, tulad nga ng promise ko last time, meron tayong top 5 or something 5 na eme before we do the reading. So for this month, this is your 5 affirmations that you can use for the month of October. Ayan, 5. So, meron tayong cheat sheet. Para syempre hindi tayo magkamali. So, ayan. Number 1. I trust the journey I'm on and believe everything is unfolding perfectly. Ibig sabihin po nito is, you should trust the process ng buhay. And ito yung kahit hindi mo na siya maintindihan, hindi mo na maintindihan yung mga nangyayari, just have to trust the process. Kung ano man yung nangyayari, it's really happening for a reason and there's a reason why. Ayan. So number 2, I am open to the new opportunities that October will bring. So be ready and welcoming sa mga bagong parating. Ngayong October, mapabagong kaibigan pa yan, bagong experience, and of course, changes, chances, lahat ng bago. Be open. Number 3, I radiate confidence and embrace change with grace. So, you just have to believe your face today. You have to believe in yourself and of course face challenges with a positive attitude, knowing that you can handle whatever comes. So parang be confident and embrace whatever things will come to you with a positive mind, positive attitude, ganyan. And alam mo yun, yung tipong ano man yung ibigay sa'yo, kaya mo. Hindi yan binigay sa'yo kasi hindi mo kaya eh. Diba? So, kakayanin mo. Parang sabi nga nila, susuka pero hindi susuko. Okay. Number 4. I release any fears and doubts and welcome abundance into my life. Ito yung you have to let go of everything na nag-hold sa'yo. So, let go of the things that is anything that is holding you back. Instead, mag-focus ka kung paano ka mag-attract ng success, ng love, ng prosperity, ng pera. Huwag mong isipin or huwag mong ilagay yung focus mo sa mga problema. Focus mo kung paano ka mas gagaling, mas magiging successful, paano lalong magmahal at maging mayaman. Okay? Number 5. This is the last one. I am in alignment with my higher purpose and ready to receive guidance. So, you are on the right path and open to receiving wisdom from the universe, your intuition, or your higher self. So, ito yung ready ka na to receive everything from the universe. Be open. And babalik tayo sa number 1 is kahit hindi mo na maintindihan, kahit ang gulo-gulo na, just trust the process. Okay? So yan ang ating 5 affirmations for the month of October and I hope kahit papaano ay diba, may nakuha kayo dun sa 5. Kahit isa lang doon, i-ano nyo ngayong October. And sa mga gusto ng tarot reading nila, just stay tuned. And of course, thank you so much sa mga nag-subscribe. And sa mga balak mag-subscribe, ayan siya. And sa mga nag-follow sa social media pages ko, thank you so much. So, let's go to our tarot reading. Hello sa mga may Libra Sun, Moon, and Rising. So, this is for Libra Sun na pinanganak ng September 25 to October 22. And sa mga may Libra na may Moon, Rising, and Virgo. Ayan. So, again, may mga free will po tayo. So, nasa atin kung susundin natin yung sinabi ng card. Kung maniniwala tayo sa card or hindi. Kung hindi maganda ang lumabas sa card, wag niyo pong isisi sa akin. Nagbabasa lamang po ako. Ayan. So, nasama pa. So, this is for Libra Sun, Moon, and Rising for the month of October. Ayan. Sinashuffle ko lamang. Maayos. Ano yung nasa ilalim ng card is the sun. So, ibig sabihin, maganda ang mga bagay-bagay ngayong October para sa mga may Libra Sun, Moon and Rising. Ibig sabihin, makulay, maaraw, maganda ang ating October. Successful ang ating October. Okay, let's see. Ayan. So, walang masyadong ganap when it comes sa passions mo. But, let's see kung ano yung mga magiging problema mo this October. So, Queen of Swords, Two of Swords, Knight of Swords, and Page of Swords. So, ang atake ng October sa'yo is more on the mind. More on gagawin mo ba to kahit na masaktan ka, may masaktan ka, or may maapakan kang tao? Itutuloy mo ba yung mga balak mo kahit na sa tingin mo ay may iiyak? Pero ay nako, may 12 swords tayo dito. So, ito nga yung itutuloy mo ba? Yes or no? May masaktan o wala? Kahit may masaktan ka o hindi mo siya itutuloy? Mga plano-plano mo sa buhay. Kasi masyado kang curious eh. Kaya lang pag yung mga may plano ka kasi sa buhay, my dear, is kailangan din nating isipin kung yung plano ko na ba to is ipupurso ko kahit anong mangyari. Masaktan ako, masaktan sila, may masaktan. So, it's up to you. I think the emotions also that you have, relationship is 5 of Cups and 8 of Cups. You're leaving someone kasi it's not enough. Masyado nang masakit, masyado nang parang Libra, you have to leave someone that you love kasi hindi na siya perfect sa'yo. Hindi na siya okay para sa'yo. Hindi na siya yung love na nakita mo noon. Nagbago na and everything is kulang. Feeling mo hindi na okay yung relationship na to. May kulang na mga bagay-bagay na sumusobra na siya or nagkukulang siya, mga ganyan bagay. But this relationship is not for you anymore. So, yun siguro ang reason kung bakit parang ang pinag-iisipan mo is, will I still stay or should I go? Will I stay? Will I go? Night will hurt me or hurt him? Hurt her? Ayun. So, something is not enough. Hindi na siya dapat. No, nada. Enough is enough. Goodbye, thank you. Yun yung mo kasi nasasaktan ka na and yeah, I think this would be the best decision for you, Libra. Let go. Alam mo, hindi ako fan ng hiwalay, pero enough is enough. Ano ka na sa enough is enough. Yeah. Money. Knight of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. Actually, sa pera walang problema, mabilis. You have money, may trabaho ka or may pinagkakakitaan ka. So, it's okay. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi if babae ka naman, may sarili kang pera. So, kaya mong buhay mag-isa. Kahit walang tumutulong sa'yo na partner, kaya mo naman. So, parang hindi siya ganun kabigat sa'yo. But, I think whatever your decision is, it will be the sun for you. You will be free, free as the sun, free na free na free. And yeah, creator, you create your own world. You create your own mind. So if you wanna travel, travel, go. If you want to go somewhere, go. Dagat, hiking, bundok, go. And changes. Accept all the changes na nangyayari because that is actually the good thing for you. Accept all the changes, my dear. And yes, the universe is supporting you. So yan ang mga my Libra, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Bye-bye!